Hi guys, it's almost the end of October, right? Really the end of October, and we'll release the November ISO shortly. So time to make a video of what did we change, what's new. So that's this one, and also one how to keep rolling, which has actually been created already and is number 4314. So what happened in October? We saw an update of Pacman, a new version where they added this line, which caused some issues for us because it impedes the building of ISOs. We figured it out and then we put a hashtag in front of it. So if at some point in time we do need to remove the hashtag, then we'll let you know. So by excluding the line, we have more functionality, more compatibility with all the scripts that we have. ArcoLinux application Glade the tool. Remember, if we just go for, well, the terminal, I'm a terminal guy, I like to see what happens to the app in the terminal. You'll see that you can build again. All these buttons are still working just fine today, right? No telling what happens in the future, because we've seen the GNU Netcat complex conflict between the other one. So yeah, if things like that happen, we have to wait till Arch fixes it, right? Fixes it. So okay, done. That's the AAG Pacman, where we survived all that, all those changes. And then we go to Hyperlint. That was this annoying message at the top, right top, saying, hey, XDG current desktop environment variable is not set. So this message here, that's gone. We've added a line and then we don't see that anymore. So that's cool. Building ISOs, everything is up to date again. I mean, ArcoNet, ArcoPlasma, Arco Pro, but there is also Carly. There's also ALCI, and there's also a writer. We have more projects than just the word ArcoLinux, right? So all the ISOs can be built. Make sure best practices. People had problem building, so I made a best practices video saying, look, if you have corrupt packages on your system, Pacman doesn't know, it just tries to use those that are on your system. So clean your system, basically. So the cache, CC stands for cache, clean cache, right? So remember that one. In Plasma, we've seen a message that seemed to come from us, but was definitely not from us. So some kind of yellow banner at the top saying, hey, you should switch to Flatpaks and to snaps and forget about everything we've put on our 1,000 packages on our repo, right? Forget about all them. Not our message. That message comes from Plasma. We've never written it, although it seems like we do, right? So then we have Calamares. We were using, of course, as each month progresses, we have new code with the Calamares project. We use the new code, try it out, the last advancements, fixes, etc., improvements. We hope, right, Calamares only gets better and better, and it's out of our how to say it in English, it's not our project, right? We just use the code and we just hope everything gets only better over time. So what's new? That's the video we're gonna make, well, making now, and this is the keep rolling video that you will see shortly. And yes, the message is still the same. We have a choice in ArcoLinux. Many distributions don't give you the choice. They just say, let's go for the easy installation. I understand that's by far the less risky, right? Because the easy installation is not requiring internet at all. And anything can go wrong. Your cable, your router, your internet service provider. I mean, so many things can go wrong. The country firewall, I mean, right? So yes, once you go online, things might get ugly. So yes, if the advanced option does not work, use the easy installation, right? The easy installation is always going to work, and most of the distros just provide this one, and that's that. So what's ISO? Yeah, sure, have a look. So if you type ISO, you get the reference on which your system has been built. So the ISO that you use to build the system, and that's it. It just stays like that. Has nothing to do with the updates, has only to do with what ISO did you use to build the system. That's it. Gonna stay like that, and hopefully in 2028 you can say, still working with the one 4 years ago, right? That's the point, to stay rolling, just updating. That's it for me. So that's what's new. Of course, there are other things that we've improved, like the AAG and ArcoLinux Tweak tool and Carly and LCI and Ariser, but those are all just for maintenance sake, but still worth a lot of hours of work. Enjoy. Cheers.